Hey, future affiliate marketing rock stars! Welcome back to Today, we're unlocking the secrets to affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you've ever wondered how to turn your YouTube channel into a passive income machine, you're in the right place. Stick around for the next 5 minutes and let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. First things first, let's demystify affiliate marketing. It's essentially earning a commission by promoting other people's products. And guess what? YouTube is an incredible platform to make this happen. Step 1. Finding the right affiliate programs is crucial. Look for ones that align with your content and resonate with your audience. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and others offer a wide range of options. Step 2. Once you've found your affiliates in crime, sign up for their programs. This usually involves creating an account. Next, grab those affiliate links, your golden tickets to commissions. Step 3. Now, let's talk strategy. Integrate your affiliate links seamlessly into your videos. You can showcase products, share reviews, or include links in your video descriptions. Be creative and authentic. Step 4. Transparency is key. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. It builds trust with your audience and keeps you in the clear with YouTube's policies. Step 5. Optimize your content for search and discovery. Use keywords, engaging thumbnails, and compelling titles. This increases the chances of your videos reaching a broader audience. Step 6. Engage. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your content. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to check out your affiliate links. Step 7. Keep a close eye on your performance metrics. YouTube analytics will be your best friend. Adjust your strategy based on what works and what doesn't. And there you have it, the ultimate crash course on affiliate marketing for YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this strategy can work wonders. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing.